Welcome to Insanely True, Episode 2. The Watchers, also known as the Family International. Did you know there was a cult that raised children in isolation, taught them to fear outsiders, and watched their every move? In the late 1960s, a man named David Berg founded the group called the Children of God. He claimed to be a prophet, a voice of divine truth. But what started as a spiritual movement quickly became something far darker. Children were born into the group. They were homeschooled, cut off from the outside world, and taught that anyone beyond the cult was evil. They weren't just raised, they were monitored, watched constantly. Every word, every behavior, every doubt was tracked. The group called it spiritual training. Survivors called it control. As the group spread across over 80 countries, they used music, charm, and promises of love to recruit. But behind closed doors, strict doctrines were enforced. Controversial teachings blurred boundaries and promoted absolute obedience. Thousands of internal letters written by Berg were mailed globally, twisting scripture to justify control. In the 1980s and 90s, law enforcement began to take notice. Raids and investigations took place in Argentina, Australia, France, and the United States. Some children were removed, but the group always adapted, changing names, relocating, rebranding. By the 2000s, they became the Family International, claiming they had moved on from the past. But many who grew up inside still live with the scars, mental, emotional, and spiritual. They were called the Children of God. But for those who lived it, it felt more like being surveilled than saved. They weren't just raised, they were watched. For more information, including details we can't cover on YouTube, follow the link in the description. Please like and subscribe for more insanely true stories.